We have talked about the divisions within ZANU-PF, and we have talked about the fights within the Mafidi dynasty faction. And here is proof enough to show you what is really happening. So this is the first video which I wanted you to look at. And Chungwara is so clear. He says, "Azvirevi kuti kana uine mari watova president." He is repeating what Daniel Garwe said when we talked about this issue. And he is also, seems to be responding to what Tagwire said and say, kana une mari, you can do anything. Let us have an elaboration of what he said. So when you're listening to these videos, the first video he attacks Kuda, the second video he attacks General Chiwenga. This is where we are going as a nation, where there are no longer in agreement kumafidi kwavo, because they believe kuti Tagwirei is running ahead or ahead of his own speed. That is what they are saying. Kuti aruda kuzviedza ani anona so kuti kuita mari wakukwanisa kuita whatever which you want. That is the message. So isisu sevana veZimbabwe, if we are not prepared to take charge, if we are not prepared to fight, then we are doomed, because these people are going to decide whatever which they want if we do not unite and make sure that we are prepared to take advantage of what is coming. Vanhu ava vane nguva yavacharovana vega, yavacharwisana vega to a point yekuti chaakungodiwa ndechekuti vana veZimbabwe vaite take charge of the situation because of vacuum ravanenge vacreata. So this is very important. That is the reason why you see us coming on daily basis to talk about these issues, because we feel that the people of Zimbabwe need to be conscientized and need to understand that the liberation of this country is in their hands. Kusunungurwa kwenyika kuri mumaoko evana veZimbabwe. We will have to take responsibility and to be active. Kana nguva yacho ichinge yasvika, we have to take advantage of the situation and make sure that we change everything in the system. We are going to be led nezvigananda pachazvo. Vachirwa vana pachavo vachita sei, isusu takamira tiri kumashure. Then we overtake and we take over. That is what we just need to do. Let them lead, we overtake, we take over. It's as simple as that. Takazvitaura tikati hakuna kwazviri kuenda zvinezvi. Uchaona manje vachirwisana. It's happening. Takazvitaura tikati vanhu ava vanokara simba to a point where they can kill, maim, or do whatever which they want for the sake of power. It's happening right now. So this is not a mere message. You listen to Christopher, you listen to Tungwarara. They were charged, Divana. And apana kumira zvakanaka. Then you ask kuti who is leaking my photos or my screenshots anenge akanzi HE. Then you ask questions kuti ari kumbolikisa information yakakosha kudaro ndiani. Who is misleading and misguiding Tagwi? Takazvitaura tikati vanhu ava vamusetera pena yekuti amhanye pamberi vagomunyadzisa simply because they don't want him to occupy the highest office. They don't believe in him. They don't believe that he will serve their interests. They believe that he will pursue his own agenda and will go into a different direction. That is the reason why everything is now against him. But because he is one of their comrades and the key funders of whatever which is happening, that is the reason why they have to be very, very, very close to him, monitor him, but at the same time attack him. So very interesting times ahead. When you're looking at Zvigananda, apana mira zvakanaka. So it's up to the people of Zimbabwe to actually, decide whether they want to be part and parcel of the future or not. But where we are going is going to be very interesting. Zvigananda zviri kurowana pachazvo, Zvigananda zviri kurakashana pachazvo, and very, very soon tichanzwirira zvedu. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This is what we have for you. Tungwarara seems to be attacking Tagwi, and we'll be watching to see what happens, because I always say time is the best prophet, and time confirms each and every prophecy.